how are you? I hope you all are fine. So in this video we study about the India's size and location, okay, of class 9, okay, chapter 1 of Geography. So let's start one by one all the topics, okay. So India is the one of the ancient civilization in the world, okay. India is the one of the ancient civilization of the world. It has achieved multi-faceted socio-economic progress during the last 5 decades. Okay, it achieved many socio-economic progress. Okay, it achieved progress during the last 5 decades. It has moved forward, displaying remarkable progress in the field of agriculture, industry, technology also, and overall economic development. Okay, it means it remarkable process in the field of agriculture, industry, technology, and also the economic development. Okay, India has also contributed significantly to the making of world history. Okay, it also a significant of the making the world history. Okay. And now our first topic is location. Okay, where is India is located? The whole point is given. That is, India is the vast country. It means India is a big country. Okay, lying is a vast country lying entirely in the northern hemisphere, given in the figure. Okay, between land extend latitude between 80 degree 4 minute in north and 37 degrees 6 minute in north, and longitudes you have to learn the degrees. Okay, where it is located, that where is India? This yellow is one our India. Okay, so this one is a degree that is given. Okay, you have to learn the degrees that between in the, if we see the extent of latitude between latitude, then 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north, and with the help of longitude it means 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east. Okay, you can understand this with the help of figure also, like this. See here, this one is longitudinal value, that is 8 degree 4 minute. There is written that 8 degree 4, sorry, the latitudinal value is this, that from Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari, that 8 minute 4 degree to 37 degree 6 minute, and longitudinal value is 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east. Okay, so from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, this one is approximately 2933 kilometer, and this one is 3214 kilometer. Okay, this total area. And now let's move further. The Tropic of Cancer is in 23 degree 30 minute north, divides the country into the almost 2 equal parts to the southeast and southwest of the mainland. Okay, it means the Tropic of Cancer divide the country into almost 2 parts, that is, first one part is southeast and second part is southwest of the mainland. Lie the Andaman Nicobar Island and the Lakshadweep Island in the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea respectively. Okay, respectively, it means the Andaman and Nicobar Island and the Lakshadweep Island in Bay of Bengal. Okay, sorry, Andaman and Nicobar is in Bay of Bengal, and the Lakshadweep, it means in Arabian Sea. Okay, respectively. Find out the extent of this group island from the atlas. Okay, we have to find the extent of these groups. Okay, do you know the southmost point of the Union is Indira Point, got submerged under the sea in 2004 during tsunami. Okay, it means the most, what is written here, that southernmost point. It means where is Kanyakumari is located. Okay, there is a point called southernmost point, Indian Union. Okay, that is called the Indira Point. Okay, so the point is got submerged in the sea because during 2004 there is a tsunami. Okay, in the tsunami the Indira Point got submerged in the sea. And now here is size. This one is a location that where is India is located. Okay, here is the latitude and longitude value is given. Okay, the landmass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. You have to learn that how much area of the landmass of India. Okay, so that is 3.28 million square. Okay, kilometer. India's total area account for about India's total account from about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. It means in the world there is about 2.4% of its total area. Okay, sorry, of India's total area, and India landmass is about 3.28 million square kilometer. Okay, so here next point is here is figure. It is clear that India is the 7th largest country of the world. Okay, so India is the 7th largest country of the world. India has a land boundary of about 15,200 kilometer. It means the main area, there is an area that is 3.28 million square kilometer. Okay, and here is a land boundary of India that is about 15,200 kilometer, and total length of the coastline of the mainland including Andaman and Nicobar also, both the islands, there is a 7,516.6 kilometer. Okay, I hope you understand that the land boundary of India is 15,200 kilometer, and including all the islands, the mainland including all the islands is about 7,516.6 kilometer. Okay, now here India is bounded by the Yangtze mountains. Okay, India is bounded by Yangtze mountain. We all know that in the north there is a mountain. Okay, that's why it is written that India is bounded by Yangtze mountain. Okay, in the northwest. Okay, in the northwest and also in north and northeast also. Okay, northwest, north and northeast. Okay, these three are the place where the Yangtze mountain are present. Okay, south of about 22 degree north latitude it begins to taper and extend towards the Indian Ocean, dividing it into the two seas. Okay, it means the south of about 22 degree north, it means the south to see that Arabian Sea on the west, and this one is West Bay of Bengal. Okay, it means this one inland divides two seas. Okay, that first one is Arabian Sea in the west and Bay of Bengal in the east. Okay, that the same thing is written. And now look at the figure 120 and note that the latitudinal and longitudinal extent to mainland is about 30 degree. This one is all about. Despite this fact, the east-west extent appears to be smaller than the north-south extent. It means this one is smaller. You can also see that here in 2000 only 33 kilometer, sorry 933, and this one is 3000. So that's why it is greater. This one is latitudinal value is greater than the longitudinal value. Okay, the same thing is written here that east-west extent appears to be smaller than north-south extent. Okay, from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh there is a time lag of 2 hours. Hence, time along the standard meridian of India, it is, you have to learn this degree also, that where from the standard meridian is passed, okay, passing through in Mirzapur, which is located in Uttar Pradesh, okay. This one, okay, 82°30' east, okay, is taken as the standard meridian for the whole country. It means the whole country, it means the whole India. The latitudinal extent influences the duration of the day and night as one moves from the south to north, okay. It means the south to north, there is a duration of day and night as one moves from the south to north, okay. What is the degree? 82°30', okay. You have to learn many things about this chapter, okay. India and the whole world, okay. This one is comparing the India from the whole world, okay. And this is all about the India. And now, what is the place of India in the world? That is written that India is a landmass, has a central location between the East and West Asia, okay. It means this one is a center from the East and also West, okay, in Asia. India is a southward extension of the Asian continent. It means here is the Asia. You all know that India is from here, like you can also see in the map. Here, southern extent, okay. The trans-Indian ocean routes which connect the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia provide a strategic central location to India, okay. The ocean routes which connect, okay, the ocean route in India that connect the two countries, that Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia, provide a strategic continent central location to India, okay. Note that the Deccan Peninsula protrudes into the Indian Ocean, thus helping India to establish close contact with the West Asia, Africa and Europe from the western coast, and with the southern East Asia from the eastern coast. No other country has a long coastline. The India Ocean has a ended. It means there is no any continent that have the long coastline, but India has the long coastline, okay. And indeed it is India's eminent position in the Indian Ocean which justifies the naming of the ocean after it, okay. Here again, do you know that since the opening of the Suez Canal in 1869, India's distance from Europe has been reduced by 7,000 km, okay. It is reduced by the 7,000 km, okay. And this one is a United Nations Demographic Yearbook 2015, 7th largest country of the world, okay. First one is Russia, then Canada, USA, China, Brazil, Australia and India, okay. This one is degree here. This one is India. And again, this one is a figure of world, okay. In the world, this one is Asia. And now here, India's contacts with the world have continued through the ages, but her relationships through the land routes are much older than her maritime contacts. The various passes through across the mountain in the north have provided the passage to the ancient traveler. It means there is a there is a various path passes through the mountain, okay, in the north, provided passage to the ancient traveler, okay. It means the traveler which are ancient, okay, in the ancient era. While the oceans restricted such interaction for a long time also, these routes have contributed in the exchange of ideas and commodities. Since ancient times, the ideas of the Upanishads and Ramayana, the stories of Panchtantra, the Indian numerals, and the decimal system thus could reach many parts of the world. The species Muslim and other merchandise were taken from India, different countries. On the other hand, the influences the Greek sculpture and the architectural styles of dome and minarets for West Asia can be seen different parts of our country. It means this type of merchants of agriculture styles, Muslim and other the spices. Okay, so this type of what we can say, this type of such that like a business. Okay, different parts of our country. It means in our country also it can be seen. Okay. India's neighbor, it means who is the neighbor of India. Like India occupies an important strategic position in the South Asia. India has 28 states and 8 union territories. Okay, it is about the India. Okay, here India shares the land boundary with Pakistan, Afghanistan in the northwest. Okay, in the northwest there is a, which one is neighbor? Pakistan. Here one is Pakistan, Afghanistan. No, this one is in the west, and in the, here again is written also that in the north west. Okay, Pakistan and Afghanistan. China, Nepal, Bhutan in the northeast. Okay, Myanmar and Bengal, sorry, in the north. You can also say east. And Myanmar east, and our southern neighbors across the sea contain 2 islands countries, namely. Okay, we can see here China, Nepal, Bhutan, and here it is not a state. Yeah, here is written that Myanmar, and this one Kolkata. I think here is a Bangladesh. Okay. And now, and also in the south it means here in the south it is 2 different islands, that is Sri Lanka and the Maldives. That is here you can see Sri Lanka, and where is Maldives? Here in the south. And Lakshadweep is a part of India, and also the Andaman and Nicobar. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel sea formed by Palk Strait and Gulf of Mannar. Okay, this dotted line is called Palk Strait or Gulf of Mannar, and this one is called Run of Kutch. Okay, and this one is called Gulf of Mannar. Okay, so here you can see. While Maldives Islands are situated in the south of the Lakshadweep, south. Okay, India has had a strong geographical and historical links with their neighbors. Okay, very strong historical and also links with the neighbors. Okay, who are the neighbors? Sri Lanka in the south, Sri Lanka and Maldives in the north, Bhutan, Nepal, China in the northwest, Afghanistan, Pakistan. Okay, and in the east, Myanmar, Bangladesh. Okay, at the physical map of Asia in your atlas. Okay, look at the physical map of Asia in your atlas and note how India stands apart from the West Asia. It means you have to note how India stands apart from rest of Asia. Okay. So ladies again, do you know school 1 is a portal providing map based on learning on beginning awareness. This one is not about to study. It is from the NCERT syllabus. Okay. So here again this one is exercises. Okay. So we will do this. Choose the right, we have to choose here 4 questions, that is choose the right option. Okay, next one is the answer the following question, that name the group of island lying in the Arabian Sea. Which group of islands lie in the Arabian Sea in the where? West. Which type of island? Lakshadweep. Okay. Lakshadweep. Okay. And name and also the Maldives. You can say. Name the countries which are the larger than India. Which one? Russia, Brazil, Australia, many countries. Which island group of lie between southeast? In the southeast. Which island is in the southeast? Andaman and Nicobar. Okay. Which island countries are our southern neighbors? Here is the southern neighbors, that is Sri Lanka and Maldives. Here is the sunrise 2 hours. This one is the question that and the central location of India at the head of the Indian Ocean is considered as Great Single Spot. This one is question and this one is a map discussion. Okay. So I hope you understand this chapter. Okay. This is a map of India where you can see all the states. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.